Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today is another installment in my Use Your Kit little mini series, and today I am using the Chasing Rainbows kit from Citrus Twist. Now, I don't have a subscription to Citrus Twist, but I did pick up a few kits in one of their recent sales, and so I thought it might be kind of fun to use to make a layout. And it's not really a scrapbook like a 12 by 12 layout kind of kit. It's has 6 by 8 papers as well as Project Life cards and stuff. So here's an example of some of the things that would be included in the kit. So I have a few different papers. They are single-sided. It came with this, probably that would fit in a traveler's notebook, you know, some cards, etc. So I pulled out some papers that I'm inspired to work with. One is this cloud paper that says there is sun behind the clouds, this ledger type paper, and then this lemon paper. And there are also Project Life cards, like I said, and I pulled out this one that says, "Not until we are lost do we truly find ourselves." And then these two floral pieces are 4 by 6 floral card and 3 by 4. Again, I'm not sure how it's all going to come together yet, but these are things that I'm thinking might work. Other things in the kit are some acrylic shapes. I might use the heart, so I'm just going to keep that out. I don't anticipate using any of these cork stickers, but you never know. Okay, so also included in the kit were these acetate shapes. I pulled out a few that I think I might work with a story I'm thinking about. And those are the shapes that I've pulled out. And then there's an alphabet, and there's some of these vellum tape strips with some words on there. So I am going to do more of a journaling kind of page, I guess. I'm hoping to document what's going on in the world right now with this whole coronavirus and try to write some of my thoughts and feelings down at this moment. It is March 19th, I think. I'm not even sure. I'm working from home, so can't even tell. Yeah, it's March 19th. Can't even tell what day of the week it is anymore. So it's March 19th. By the time this goes up, I'm not sure when it will exactly go up or what the state of the virus will be, which is why I want to document this now. And maybe once this is passed, I can document my feelings, you know, from a reflective perspective. So that is why I've pulled these things here. I do have a few photos that I'm going to print about some of the craziness that's been going on, but I need to make those a little smaller because, again, I'm only using a 6 by 8 side. So I'm going to go do that, and then I will be back. Okay, so it's been a little bit since I first started this layout. In fact, it's been almost a week, and a week puts perspective on things. And I'm going to scale back a little bit because some of these items here I think are going to suit other stories that I want to tell about this pandemic. And so I am switching things up a little bit. So rather than use the floral side of the multi-floral side of this card, I am thinking of using the orange side. I have a picture here of the meat counter at my local store on the 14th of March. And I am still going to use these arrows, tuck them in like that. And then I used one of these labels. I just cut it out of the kit. So I'm going to put that there. Here's my journaling. I've got a sticker here that says, "This is sunshine to my soul." It's not about the pandemic being a sunshine to my soul, but I have up here, it says, "There is sun behind the clouds," and I have this stamp, "Remember," that I want to stamp above it. And I ended my journaling basically just saying I've had twinges of panic, but every time it tries to rear its ugly head, I remember that. And then I have a Bible or scripture verse from Psalm 4, verse 8. "I will both lie down in peace and sleep, for you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety." And so that is what is the sunshine to my soul. So I think that will fit right here in this gap. And then I do have this acetate border sheet that I think I'm just going to, this acetate border that I think I'm just going to fit in something to that effect. And then I'm just going to put COVID-19 up here, and I think we're going to call this one done. So this has morphed from just being a small little spread to I think I'm going to do a small little mini album. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to put it in a 6x8 album or if I'm going to make my own. We're going to see how this plays out. So until now, it's just going to live in a temporary binder until I figure out a permanent solution, hopefully soon, once this pandemic is done. So let me glue this all together or glue this all down, and I'll come back and show you the final results. Okay, these are my final pages. I kept them super simple because nothing seems to really work. You know, my normal go-to hearts and stars and that kind of thing just don't seem to be the right fit. I did use these little asterisks that came in this Felicity Jane Essentials Puffy alphabet that I used for the 19 because the Citrus Twist one didn't come with numbers. This is going to be my layout, my first layout in whatever book I end up doing to document this really life-changing experience that's going on right now. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this inspires you to maybe consider documenting what's going on in your life right now, especially with regards to this pandemic. And until next time, keep safe.